You are now watching Doorbell News.
Brooklyn, New York. This woman appears to be a cat sitter. She's clearly at the wrong apartment, but the homeowner thinks she's up to no good.
Yeah. Hello? Do you need something?
Hello?
Do you need something?
I was coming to visit with the cats.
What?
I came by to visit the cats.
Who? You got the wrong number, the wrong door. Why are you trying to get in my door right now?
I just thought that I was at apartment 2L.
Okay, so what are you trying to get into?
I'm sitting some cats, but it's fine if I'm not at the right place. I will look elsewhere.
Yo, there's a lady. Go outside. There's a lady right now going down the stairs right now.
She has all the cat accessories on her bag.
What's that?
What do you think? Phoenix, Arizona. This looks like no mistake here. Peachtree Corners, Georgia. Two creeps out at late night, and they spot someone's ATV in the backyard. So they decide to take it and run off. Can't even leave ATVs outside anymore. Miami Beach, Florida. This old guy walks up and sees something he wants. So he looks around to make sure no one's looking, and then he goes for it. He does the old stuff it under the shirt trick. One of the oldest tricks in a book. Yeah, you don't know about these Ring doorbells, do you, old guy? Get lost! Norcross, Georgia. Apparently this woman's at the wrong house. We all make mistakes, don't we? Yeah, she looks lost. I think she made a mistake. Tallahassee, Florida. Two neighbors walk by, and the man sees something he wants. This is no mistake here. This guy's a pirate. Yeah, we got you on camera, you petty thief. East Point, Michigan.
Oh!
Check this guy out. Lilburn, Georgia.
No twins.
I don't know if this is a mistake or not. This guy's knocking at somebody's door late night, and he needs to definitely get lost.
It's like joke off and sword. So come and open the door right now. This is the last time I need to see this answer. It's too difficult of an answer for me to give. You see how this could become a stick-up? And then suicide?
Somebody needs to definitely come get this guy.
This is what happens when you give any advice. It's like for money, you that you're too criminal with that. You're lucky I didn't get any of my informations. And then there, I'm more important than you. And you won't get a live.
Somebody better get this guy some help. Yeah, this is all one big mistake. St. Paul, Minnesota. A woman is upset with her ex, but she makes the mistake of taking it out on the wrong person's car. As you can see, there's a similar looking car parked right by it. And I think she got the two cars confused. Yeah, that's not your ex's car, lady. She goes back for another round of bashing. Better hope you got some insurance. Better hope you got full coverage. Wow. Looks like the mirror's gone. Wrong car, lady. Tallahassee, Florida. Check these guys out.
Bro, you're gonna get tased, man. Don't make me do it.
Don't make them do it. All those donuts will catch up with you eventually. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Check her out. She's lightning quick, and she's in and out in under 10 seconds. That was no mistake. Richmond, Virginia. Looks like this guy's at the wrong house.
No. Fair.
Fair? I don't know no fair. Get lost. Definitely at the wrong house. Vallejo, California. Another late night mistake here. This lady says she lives on the street, but she doesn't know where her house is. Oh, well, maybe you should remember your address, lady. Yeah, this is definitely a mistake. Maybe you should write it down or something.
Get up out of here.
I'm sorry to bother you. I live on the street and I can't find my address. I just moved here about a month ago. I'm sorry.
Yeah, get lost.
Keep moving.
You better not me.
Meanwhile, in Lilburn, this guy's still on the wrong porch.
Get down.
I'm starting to think this isn't a mistake and this guy just loves going on people's porches late night.
I'm very lucky to have you up, honey, sister. And I don't mean in the morning.
Make sure you like this video. New episode coming tomorrow. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.